In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can install VoxCPM. Here is its GitHub repo. You guys can visit, and this is its official website. To install this on your Windows, you need to first prepare your environment. First, you need to install miniconda. Just go to this link. I will put this on the description down below. This is the miniconda, and you can simply download this by clicking on here. anaconda.com.download. You can also download from here. Now drag this down to bottom and you will see miniconda installer. Download miniconda installer. Choose your platform. Since I'm using Windows right now, I will go with Windows 64-bit. Yeah, but on miniconda, not the anaconda distribution, sorry. Yeah, install this miniconda and save this. And so meanwhile it's downloading, you need to also download Git. If you haven't downloaded and installed Git, you need to download the 64-bit, or it depends on your Windows computer. Here I already have installed Git and I also downloaded. You can see that this is my Git. If I right click here, you can see I also have open using Git. Alright guys, so I forgot to tell you that you also need to install Python here. So go to python.org and go to download here, and then you can simply download the Python 3.14 or 3.10 as well. All right, you can download anything. All right, so just go ahead and download and install Python as well in order to set this up, the VoxCPM. Now once you guys have downloaded the miniconda, make sure to install miniconda because we need to use Anaconda's terminal to install VoxCPM. All right, I agree. You can use this like just me or for all required. All right, I'm just going to use for all. Next, simply it's just like a fast forward installation. There you go. All right, so it's been completed. Now click on next and it's gonna show you like getting started or welcome to Anaconda. Let's finish this up. Now you wanted to open up the Anaconda prompt. So you can use your start menu and you need to use this Anaconda prompt, not a PowerShell, but you can use this one, normal one. All right, then you will need to go to my description and just like copy and paste these commands. Once you guys have installed this Git, all right, I've already installed it. I'm not gonna install once again. Yeah, I already installed that. I'm just going to use like git command and we are going to clone the voice or VoxCPM. Hit and enter. Now it is cloning and you can dir. You should find the VoxCPM right here. I don't know, but yeah, over there we have the VoxCPM. So now just cd and type your VoxCPM and enter. Now you guys are inside the VoxCPM right now. Just let me CLS this one. Now use this command. I will put all of these three commands because you will need to accept the terms and service. I don't know. We need to override this and we're going to use this command and hit an enter. There you go. Here is the second one. Do that same thing, enter, and the third one. Once you guys have done this, now you should be able to create the environment. To create environment, you need to use this command, which is conda create tag n and VoxCPM, and using Python 3.10 tag y. There you go. Now this is going to download everything that you guys needed. Now you can see that to activate this environment, you can use conda activate VoxCPM, or if you wanted to deactivate, you need to do like conda deactivate. Right now we need to use this command, so copy this, Control C and Control V, or right click to paste here and hit an enter. Now you guys have successfully activated conda to activate this VoxCPM. And also if you see using the dir command, I just use dir command and to see what's inside this folder, we have app.py. All right, now let me try to launch this using Python app.py and enter. But you can see we have some issue going on here because we haven't installed some kind of requirements that it needed. And now we are going to install requirement using pip. You need to use pip to install those torch vision and torchaudio. Right click and paste this command. Sorry, not this one. Right click and paste this one command, which will download torch vision audio, and it's going to use PyTorch and cuda everything. All right, let's download this. It's going to take some time. You can see that it's massive file. Alright guys, so now we have installed all the dependencies. Now let's see the dir command, and we have this py app.py. We need to use Python to open this app.py. Alright, just type that and enter. If you see some kind of error, I don't know, but you need to research this first. So I tried to install the requirement, but it could not open the requirement file. We need to kind of reinstall the requirement right now. All we need to do is let's install the modescope once again. Maybe pipe install gradio modescope transformers as sudo with sentence space sound file. All right, use this command and let's see what it's gonna be spitting up. All right, now there we go. It's installing what it needs. You can see that, so it's still installing whatever it needed. Okay, so we have already successfully installed this, everything. You can see there's all the stuff that it requires. Now still on a torch vision and torchaudio, let's try to kind of clean install maybe this one. We just installed this previously, and let's see if this will still download. All right, it didn't download anything, and requirement already satisfied. Now we need to show the gradio. Use pip show gradios, and all right, it's kind of good right now. And here's the last command. Good. Now let's try to launch the Python app. I'm so tired, it's still not opening, but now it is launching. Oh no, still. We have finally succeeded this. The final command for you guys will be this one. This is what you need to use. It's a pip install -e and dot. All right, space dot. It's gonna be something, if you paste like this, this is what you need to run. All right, and after that your Python app.py and requirements, everything, it should be gone. You should solve. You can see I cannot install this right now, but in your computer you should be able to install using this one. And now if I try to use Python and app.py, this will ask, hey, Python launch this app.py, and it's going to open the port and we can use our browser. You can see that this is running on local. All right, let me copy this first, and you can open the tab, but this is not running right now. All right, let's try like localhost. It didn't, so let's try this one. We are going to use 127.0.0.1. all right, there we go. This is the IP address, or the local IP that it's showing you like a wrong one, but yeah, this is the one that you guys wanted to navigate. All right, it's 127.0.0.18808. all right, now we are going to upload the voice. This is my voice here, you can see that. Here's a quick short video on how you can install Outlook. All right, now we are going to use the same voice to generate this one here. Like VoxCPM 2 is a creative multilingual TTS model from ModelBest. All right, generate the speech. Well, that's taking some time. Also, let's check my Talks Manager right now. It is using Python. You can also see that's using my network as well, like crazy speed on that, 99 megabyte per second, 100% of my network uses. Also, you guys can see on terminal behind the scenes, you know, like it's downloading something complete. I don't know, it's kind of like a model maybe. This is like a 3 or 4 gigabyte, and this one is as well. I'm gonna download this, and that is why I'm looking crazy spikes on my internet speed. It's kind of crazy. You can see, I don't know, now it's not downloading right now. Once this is completed, I think the gradio, it will generate my audio. Let it download. It's around like a 5 gigabyte, I believe. All right, download has been completed, but we are still getting and hitting some error. Let's generate the speech once again. All right, we have a new spicy error. Okay, so I chat GPT this and it sent me some command that I need to use. The first thing is that you need to delete, or so let's do this. All right, let's Control C this first. closing all the server, and now I'm hitting this command here, pip uninstall torch vision, torchaudio. Okay, now it said I need to use pip cache purge. All right, 96 directory, interesting. So now we're going to reinstall this time with cu128. It's gonna take some time. I'm just gonna pause the video right now so that you guys don't get bored. Now this is working after I use the ChatGPT's given commands. I have set this true. Now it is working. It's kind of downloading some leftover models that it needed, and you can see it is downloading speech with noise right now. And also on this local host, it's trying to process, but it is requiring some files from here. All right, we have successfully generated this time. Let's hear the audio difference. This is my audio. Here's a quick short video on how you can uninstall Outlook. All right, this is the original. Now this is what I have generated. VoxCPM 2 is a creative multilingual TTS model from ModelBest, designed to generate highly realistic speech. That's all that you guys will get, but you guys can still tweak this on advanced setting. You can see that you can play with some settings, but yeah, I have just set this on default and it worked completely fine. But yeah, we gone through like crazy errors, and I have also used the AI to, you know, like fix this stuff. And this is how you guys will be installing in the future as well, because some errors are so crazy and stubborn that you guys cannot even notice what the heck is going on, and the AI is there to help you out. All right, so I will leave all the commands on the description down below so that you guys can use it. And if you guys still getting error, you might need to use AI as well, because this is the GitHub project and it might end up some errors if the author have updated that stuff. The crazy thing is that this is the #1 repository of the day on GitHub trending right now, because it just killed 11 labs. Not completely, but you know, it's the alternative and it's completely free, open source, and you guys can locally deploy on your computer. And that's the crazy about this tool. This is the VoxCPM that you guys can generate your own voice. I mean, clone anyone's voice, literally. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.